If I'm fixing it, I'm filming it. Well, hello everyone. Well, today's video, I'm going to be doing a game changer. I'm replacing my shower head. And you say to yourself, a game changer? Well, you'll see it. It is quite the invention. I want to really try it. I'll show you. In this box is a game changer. Unlike the bidet, that's an experience. That's a game changer. And I'll show you what I mean. So this is a 9-inch shower head. And what's special about it is it has this arm which will attach directly to the shower head. And here is the shower head. They say it's a 9-inch shower head. Pretty simple construction. Cost me, I think, $57 on Amazon. Canada, that was, January 2022. What's so unique with this is this arm. Now, what you have to realize is sometimes these shower heads, well, they'll come straight out at the wall, or they'll even come straight down. So be careful what kind of a shower head you got. I got the traditional curved. So that's what that arm does. That arm will attach to that curve and then it'll extend outward a little bit. Because obviously for a rain shower, you want it to fall on you, not at its side. So that's what we're going to do. So first things first, let's remove the existing shower head. And for that, we're going to need the adjustable metric wrench or the adjustable imperial wrench. Just kidding, it's the same thing. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, so let's get this shower head off. And just be careful. You might want to hold the pipe in the back. There we go. That's all off. See what I mean? This pipe is curved, so we can't come straight out. A traditional rain shower head pipe will come straight out, so then it could drop right on you. Or there's a roof. Instead of this being on the sidewall, it'll come out directly on the ceiling, straight down. And that's where you attach your rain shower head. But this one's the curved. Okay, once you get your shower head off, remove any Teflon tape so we can apply some new stuff. This kit came with a little roll of Teflon tape. And the way to apply tape is you want to be able to wrap the threads in the direction you got to put on your shower head. So I wrap it clockwise because that's the way we got to wrap the pipe or your shower head. You don't need to go much. Try not to get any in here, just on the threads you want. So this pipe, you want this end because that's what swivels. So that's how you can get your upwards pitch on it. If it's just straight pipe, well, it's just going to push it down, and it's no good. So we want to be able to lift it up. So let's start screwing this on. Be careful, don't cross your threads. Okay, there you go, that's pretty tight there. I go a little bit more. There we go. Now this is, on this model, that's where you tighten it to get your head up nice and high. That's good and tight. Okay, so let's get our shower part on it. So we'll just keep it, this is the one that gives it your angle up or down. Let's get this kind of, okay, let's put this fancy dancy shower head on. If you want, let's put some Teflon tape on that. Again, you want to put the tape on clockwise because that's how you got to screw on your shower head. 2 wraps should be it. Okay, let's screw this on. There. And now let's tighten it. There we go, that's good and tight. Now we can push this up to where we want it. So I've got it tight here. Now let's tighten it up here as high as you can. And you can turn it and whatever, but there we go. Not quite in the center of the shower, but it's pretty darn close. Well, there, I think that's a pretty easy install. Should I test it out? Well, I'm not going to show you testing it out, but let's turn it on and then you can see the rain effect. Okay, let's turn it on and let's see. Oh, now that's a lot nicer. More of a gentle drop instead of this guy. Just blast on you. This one's nice and gentle. Wow. So there you go, folks. There's the Game Changer. I've seen these in hotel rooms and they're very, very comfortable to shower with. So I'm glad I finally got one, and for $57, that's okay. You can get ones that are 16-inch square if you want a bigger rain on you. So there's lots to choose from. Just make sure you get the right one. The one that comes straight down from the ceiling, one that comes straight out of the side of the wall, or one that's curved like mine out of the wall. Just make sure you get the right shower head for you, and geez, you'll thank me later. It is a very comfortable shower. Anyways, good luck with your project.